Now we'll show you how to access all of the course material in your assignments. First, click on the course content folder. Only the available assignments will show up here, as well as the exam folder when the time comes. Let's look inside the folder for Unit 0. Here you will find a list of the learning goals for this unit, as well as what you should learn after completing the unit. You will click on the What to Do binder. This is where you will find the videos that you need to watch for each unit. After you've read all the material and watched the videos, you can begin your assignments for the unit. Flashcards and participation questions will be due first. You will have several days to work on these assignments, so make sure you work ahead and ask questions in the discussion boards. The discussion board can be your best friend. You may post questions there, as well as discuss concepts with your peers. Flashcards and participation questions are graded as all or none. This means you must complete the assignment 100% before you get credit. There is no partial credit. The good news is you have unlimited attempts at these assignments, so take your time and try to really understand the material. And make sure you reach out in the discussion board if you do not understand the material. You can ensure you have received full credit by going to your gradebook and looking for checks for flashcards and a score of 10 for participation questions. If you do not have a check for each set of flashcards and a 10 for participation question, you will receive zeros for these assignments. After you complete your flashcards and participation questions, you should begin your project. You will have the opportunity to work ahead on the project, so you should ask questions in the discussion boards. Be sure you check the discussion board before you ask a question, because your question may already be answered there. If you notice that there is no discussion about the topic you are struggling with, then do not hesitate to post something. That's how you learn. Odds are there are other students who are struggling with the same topic but have not posted. Remember, we are all here to learn, and discussing these topics with your peers is an excellent way to retain the information. Don't forget to post your questions about the material in the discussion board before emailing me so that everyone can benefit. If you email me a question that should be in the discussion board, odds are I will direct you back there, so save yourself some time and post in the discussion boards first. You can access the rubric used to grade the project here. This gives you a detailed list of what I will be looking for when grading. You can use the rubric as a checklist to ensure you have completed the entire assignment. Please also make sure you read all the instructions for each assignment. In the past, students have missed out on points because of errors that could have been avoided had they read the instructions. Make sure you show all of your work and show me that you have put thought into your answers. If I'm looking for several sentences or multiple points and you only give me one, then I'll have to count off 60%. You can tell how much I'm looking for based on the allotted amount in the rubric. If something is worth multiple points, then you need to put more effort into your answer. You may submit the project multiple times. I will try to grade early submissions and give feedback so that you may rework the project, correct your mistakes, and resubmit for a chance at a higher grade. This is especially useful on the harder projects and projects with a lot of calculations, so take advantage of this opportunity. Note that there's a cutoff date for early grading, and I can only grade your projects early if I have time to do so. Each unit will end with a 10-question quiz. The quizzes are timed, consist of 10 questions, and are worth 10 points apiece. Each question will either be true, false, or multiple choice. The amount of time allotted for each quiz changes each unit based on the amount of time needed to complete the questions. This is meant to simulate what it will be like on the exam and may be difficult if you're not prepared. The quizzes are tools you can use to prepare for exams, so please use them to show you what to study for the exams. Please prepare for each quiz like you would prepare for an exam. A bad grade on a quiz does not mean the end of the world. It is merely an opportunity to better prepare yourself for the exams. Make sure you put your effort in improving on the topics you missed in the future and do not dwell in the past. Now, please make sure you read over the full syllabus and complete Unit 0 as soon as possible, as you will not have access to Unit 1 until you complete everything in Unit 0. The points in Unit 0 do not count towards your overall grade, but are there to ensure that you understand the course layout. This is your chance to figure out the Blackboard system and discover any bugs without losing points. I will, however, give you 10 bonus points for completing Unit 0. This is your first opportunity to ensure your grade, so make good use of it. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I look forward to the semester and the discussions we will have together. Good luck to you. Let's make this a great semester.